provisions, the concept is similar to accruals.
It has been a very nice training and thank you very much.
I learned all the basic principles. Now I could really understand the definition of what is assets, liabilities, risk assessment, internal controls, and starting the day with a lot of learning. Thank you so much. It was very interesting.
So I'm really wondering how you will simplify the finance topics to engineering experts. So it was quite well that you were able to simplify the versions of financial balance sheet, P&L, whatever the basis of it. It was excellent simplified version of finance, and I think everybody was able to understand the basis. So thank you for session.
This will definitely help this training. It will give us more insight about it.
So really, it was very lively.
They were really nice, interesting themes. Like
I can say that being from the sales function, we have come across most of the finance words, little more understanding of the pressures my finance team gives me when I am negotiating the sales thing.
Yeah, I'm a technical person. I got a lot of exposed to the finance. So really very useful to me.
Very nicely demonstrated. It was a very good session and it is very interactive and it is interesting also.
I think whatever the relevant topics that we were looking for was addressed today, and it was very useful to all of us.
Thank you. And from an engineering perspective, I'm from a pure engineering side. Many finance terms are new for me, but it was really, you made simple many things. Looking forward to know more. And one important thing I can say is many of the things can be learned for the personal finance also. So that's fine for me. Thank you.